Today is my birthday and I'm making the special soap as my birthday present to myself. This is my softest soap butter. This is my olive oil, the gentle olive oil soap butter with just olive oil and coconut oil. And I already added there also the coconut milk and the ground oats and the kaolin clay. It's all already in there, mixed in. And then I have my colorants, so it's my most colorful soap. I call this soap Peace on Earth because these are all calming essential oils mixed here. This is vetiver and lavender and patchouli and frankincense and orange, sage also. Yeah, so these are my essential oils and let's see how it goes. And my live water has the Himalayan salt, that's why it's so pink, Himalayan salt, and also the citric acid in there. The salt is for making soap harder and easier for unmolding, and the citric acid saves you from the lot of soap scum which forms, and it's nicer to wash your hands in a hard water, since in Switzerland here the water is quite hard, so I am really happy to use citric acid. And I really like how it works in a soap, so let's see how it goes. I think it's emulsified. It's not a trace yet, but it's emulsified, so I will pour it in the colors. Colors are this is a little bit of activated charcoal with little bit of spirulina. This is spirulina with little bit of zinc oxide to stabilize it. This is indigo powder, indigo root powder. This is rose clay, and this is paprika with annatto seed infusion oil. So today I will use this tool. This is just a cardboard with the sticks, the, I don't know, barbecue sticks in there. So I will just use it like this in the batter. But now I have to start pouring. But now I have to do the design because it starts thickening up. Otherwise it will be too thick. I don't know how design will go, but we'll see. And I poured the wrong way. I was going to pour the other way, but whatever I did, and there is no changing it. Yes. Okay. Now it's inspired by the peacock swirl, but that's not exactly the peacock swirl. It's just inspired by that. You saw I didn't pour the straight lines like people do. Okay, and that's it for the design. And this is how my Pissonaire soap looks next morning. And I will cut it. I think I will cut it in blocks, and then those blocks I will cut in different ways to see what kind of pattern is inside. So it's more like a research. There will be the same amount of the soaps on each block, but they just will be different. See, let's see how it goes. Let's unmold it. Oh, this looks interesting too. Okay, let's get you out. These things. Okay, we have these sharp edges, cut these edges off with the vegetable peeler. Okie dokie. I think I will cut like the last soap, this in 4 pieces, and this in, no, I will cut this in half. First this 4 pieces, because I already have this regulated to that. It's interesting. That's how it looks. Sides. Wow, this looks very nice. Okay. This will be a little sample pieces. Okay. This time I will use this single bar cutter for that. Let's see how we cut them. Should I have these huge blocks and just cut them in half? Or should I cut in 3 pieces? I think I will cut in 3 pieces, 2 centimeters each, in this way. Okay, I think that's right. Okay, it's nice. I like this. This is nice. This is more kind of like mimicking this top pattern. Okay, and then if I want this kind of pattern, let's measure how big this is. This is also 6, so basically the same width of the soap. That's a nice pattern too. And then I have this, where do I have this? And here. I mean, these are also nice, different. Nice. Oh, this is beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I'm very satisfied. If you are also happy how this soap turned out, you can leave me thumbs up. I will be very happy about that. If you haven't subscribed to the channel and want to see more videos like this, then subscribe and check out the link below with the soap recipe, and see you next time. Ciao!